Have you ever wondered how your Yamarin is made? A boat that feels effortless on the water, responds to your touch, that carries your family safely across every wave. What you experience in a single moment on the sea begins long before, inside the factory of Yamarin, where over 50 years of expertise are transformed into precision, process, and uncompromising quality. Welcome to the world behind your Yamarin. Every Yamarin starts as an idea, a drawing shaped by engineers who understand Nordic waters and Nordic expectations. From that drawing, a mold is created, because true quality is repeatable, controlled, measured. Before the first layer of fiberglass is laid, managers gather with their teams. Every day starts with alignment, planning, responsibility. Quality is never accidental, it is organized. Each mold is prepared with extreme care, cleaned, checked, perfected. Then comes gel coat, the flawless outer layer, the first color you see. There are 2 lamination methods behind every Yamarin, each chosen with purpose. For our open ride and cruise model ranges, we use traditional hand lamination. Fiberglass is placed layer by skilled craftsmen. But when it comes to the Aura hull and roof, we go one step further. Here, we use vacuum infusion, a highly controlled process where resin is drawn through dry fiberglass under vacuum pressure. After everything is dry, the hull is gently released from the mold. This is one of the most important moments, the first time we can truly see whether every previous step was done correctly. That is also the moment when the very first inspection takes place. A careful check to ensure all GRP compartments meet our standards before it can continue its journey. And if there's any flaw, even the smallest one, it's immediately marked and sent into the repair process. Next, everything moves to cutting. Dedicated templates ensure that every window opening, every hatch, every console cut is identical to specification. In small assembly, consoles are wired and tested. Buttons, screens, controls, everything the owner will touch every day is installed with intention. Meanwhile, stainless steel parts are cut, welded, bent to match the iconic shape of a Yamarin. Windshields are powder-coated and carefully assembled in the dedicated shop. And some of the wood parts are meticulously finished by hand. Every component must arrive at assembly exactly on time, packed and marked for a specific boat number. This is not mass production. This is coordinated precision. Before deck meets hull, all systems must be completed in the correct order. Fuel systems, water systems, electrical harnesses. Only when everything is verified does the most important structural moment happen. The deck and hull are bonded together. Adhesive temperature, thickness, application points, timing. Dozens of skilled workers coordinate this step because once completed, 2 parts become one boat. This joint defines rigidity, silence, durability. Installation continues. Hatches, rub rail mounted along the edge, windshield, flooring, upholstery fitted, seats installed, fridge, toilet. And finally, the engine. Because Yamarin is owned by Yamaha Motor Company, our partnership is not just collaboration, it is integration. Our boats are designed from the very beginning to match perfectly with Yamaha engines. Everything is engineered as one system. Reliability meeting performance, power meeting precision. Before delivery, every Yamarin undergoes strict testing. Pool test. Checking windows, hatches, hull openings for leaks. Water and electrical systems inspection. Engine calibration. Joystick and bow thruster setup. Full PDI checklist verification. Only after passing all inspections does the final polish begin. Gel coat is checked again, and then the boat is ready to go. Then the boat is wrapped, sealed against air and moisture, and prepared for transport. And then, the boat leaves the hull in the shipyard, heading to a dealer, a marina, a family, and you. Every Yamarin is the result of thousands of actions, hundreds of skilled hands, one shared philosophy, uncompromising quality. That is why it feels effortless when you drive it. That is why it feels solid in every wave. That is why it feels right, built with precision, tested with discipline, delivered with pride. This is how a Yamarin is made. This is where your best summer memories begin. Yamarin brings summer to your life since 1972.